Hi, friends. Welcome to Butterfly. Today, we're going to learn the ABCs and their sounds. Are you ready? Let's begin. A is for ant. Ant. Say A. A makes the sound like an ant. Can you say it? A ant. B is for banana. B banana. Say B. B makes the sound B, like in banana. Can you say it? B banana. C is for cloud. C cloud. Say C. C makes the sound C, like in cloud. Can you say it? C cloud. D is for duck. D duck. Say D. D makes the sound D, like in duck. Can you say it? D duck. E is for egg. E egg. Say E. E makes the sound E, like an egg. Can you say it? E egg. F is for frog. F frog. Say F. F makes the sound F, like in frog. Can you say it? F frog. G is for grapes. G grapes. Say G. G makes the sound G, like in grapes. Can you say it? G grapes. H is for hat. H hat. Say H. H makes the sound H, like in hat. Can you say it? H hat. I is for ice cream. I ice cream. Say I. I makes the sound I, like in ice cream. Can you say it? I ice cream. J is for jump. J jump. Say J. J makes the sound J, like in jump. Can you say it? J jump. K is for kite. K kite. Say K. K makes the sound K, like in kite. Can you say it? K kite. L is for lion. L lion. Say L. L makes the sound L, like in lion. Can you say it? L lion. M is for moon. M moon. Say M. M makes the sound M, like in moon. Can you say it? M moon. N is for nest. N nest. Say N. N makes the sound N, like in nest. Can you say it? N nest. O is for octopus. O octopus. Say O. O makes the sound O, like an octopus. Can you say it? O octopus.
P is for panda. P panda. Say P. P makes the sound P, like in panda. Can you say it? P panda. Q is for queen. Q queen. Say Q. Q makes the sound Q, like in queen. Can you say it? Q queen. R is for rainbow. R rainbow. Say R. R makes the sound R, like in rainbow. Can you say it? R rainbow. S is for sun. Sun. Say S. S makes the sound S, like in sun. Can you say it? S sun. T is for tree. T tree. Say T. T makes the sound T, like in tree. Can you say it? Tree. U is for umbrella. U umbrella. Say U. U makes the sound U, like in umbrella. Can you say it? U umbrella. V is for van. V van. Say V. V makes the sound V, like in van. Can you say it? V van. W is for whale. W whale. Say W. W makes the sound W, like in whale. Can you say it? W whale. X is for xylophone. X xylophone. Say X. X makes the sound X, like in xylophone. Can you say it? X, X, xylophone. Y is for yak. Y, yak. Say Y. Y makes the sound Y, like in yak. Can you say it? Y, yak. Z is for zebra. Z, zebra. Say Z. Z makes the sound Z, like in zebra. Can you say it? Zebra. Great job, everyone! You've learned your ABCs and their sounds. Keep practicing and you'll be an alphabet pro. See you next time on Butterfly.